Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so Aussie burger bowls, just got 400 grams of meatballs, it's a pound of, I've just used some commercial meatballs. If you want to make your own meatballs, I'll link to my favorite meatball recipe. And then we've got some lovely vacuum packed beets, which is beetroot, essential for any Aussie burger. If you've got any that are, these are fairly small, but you might like to cut them in half. And then I'm not going to worry about the oven preheating, so I've got it set to the highest setting. We're just going to get the meatballs in and cook them for about 12 minutes. Great, so when the meatballs are cooked through and browned, you might like to do them a little bit longer than that, but I'm happy. Then we're going to just get our cheese on, and that's just going to melt in the hot pan because it's fairly finely shaved. But if you want, if your cheese is chunky, you might like to just pop it back in the oven for another minute to get it to melt. And then I'm just going to serve it on a bed of baby spinach with good old tomato ketchup and some Kewpie mayonnaise and some pickles. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.